What about a mixed number? So if we have a number like this one here, 2 7/8, how would we ever figure out what the percentage is? So what I want you to think about for a second here is we learned that 1, the number 1, right? That's the whole amount, right? But here we have a 2 7/8. So 7/8 is the decimal portion, right? So 7 of 8 available pieces. But now we're saying we have 2 whole pieces and 7 of 8 available pieces. So how do we turn this into a fraction? Well, into a percent. The first thing we have to do, guys, is we've got to turn this into a decimal fraction. Okay, that's the first step. So we write down the number 2, and then we divide 7 by 8. So 7 divided by 8 is 0.875. Okay, so that's the first step. So what we learned from our last slide is that to get a percentage, we need to move the decimal 2 places. So there's moving it 1 place to the right. We move it to the second place to the right. And now we have a number 287.5. Well, 287.5 what? Right? It's actually 287.5%. Okay, so, and this makes sense because if we look up here at the fraction, if this were just a 1, I said I have 1 of 1 pieces. How much do I have? Well, I have 100%, right? If I have 2 of 2 pieces, I have 200%. But then I have a fractional amount, right? I have 7 of 8 pieces. So that's this piece here, right? That's the 87.5%. So if there was no whole number here, this was just a fraction, 7/8, my percentage would be 87.5%. But since we have a whole number, and it doesn't matter what the whole number is, guys, whatever this whole number is, that's hundreds of percent, right? So it's 287.5%, okay?